Hello everyone, today we are going to solve construct binary tree from Inorder and Postorder Traversal. So in this problem, we are given a two vector and which contain the values, root values, and this is our Inorder Traversal and Postorder Traversal of binary tree. What we have to do is we have to build a tree using these two vector and return the root of that vector. So in the last video we have construct binary tree from Inorder and pre-order traversal. I recommend you to first watch that video because we are using the same concept here. So what we are doing here is, so what this Inorder looks like, So Inorder is our Inorder traversal is look like first we traverse left subtree, then we go to root, and then we go to right subtree. And what does this post-order traversal looks like? It's look like first we go to left subtree, then we go to right subtree, and finally we go to this root. So here, what I am saying this, my root is at the end. This root is at the end. So what does it mean? My root is at the end. So this is my root. I can say this is my root. Yes, it is. So what I will do, I will make this is my root. After making this root, what is the first thing I will do? I will find this root in my Inorder. So in earlier question I have already tell you that if I search a vector, then it will take O of n. So to make this more efficient, to search in O of 1, what we will do, we will store it in another map. Okay, so we will store it in map. Now what is the thing we are gonna do is, we will first of all store this, we will find this root in our Inorder. So we find, here it is, this is our root, so once we find the root, so what is this Inorder traversal looks like? First we have left, then root, then this right. So what I can say, the left side of root is our left subtree and the right side of this root is right subtree. So here I can say this 9 will be my part of left subtree, and this 15, 27 will be part of my right subtree. So what is this? This is my Inorder traversal. This is my Inorder traversal. Make sense? Now what we will do, if you see what we are doing is, right now our input is this Inorder and our input is this. What we are doing is, we are making our input smaller. Now my Inorder is very small as compared to earlier. This input is also smaller than this. Now if I find my pre-order or if I find my post order for both of them, so my question will be solved. Yeah. So now let's understand how I can find this post order. So if this 3, so this will be my left Inorder and this will be my right subtree Inorder that I have done. So now how I will find this post order? So if you see, after this root, how many elements are there? There are 3 elements. And what is this? After this root we have right. So I can say we have 3 elements in right subtree. So from this 3, the next 3 element will be our right subtree. So what I am saying is, this 15, 7, 20 will be my post order. Is it clear or not? The number of, I will find how many number of element in right subtree, and then I will find the post order from here. Now if I find this, so from starting, for now after that this will be my rest, will be my left. So this 9 will be my left. Now my problem is solved. What I have done is, I make this left, I make one root, and I solve my problem to 2 smaller part. Now what will be written from this? This will become my left subtree, and whatever comes from here, it will become my right subtree. So now let's solve this. So what we have is, we have Inorder 9 and post order 9. So what we will do, first thing, the end of this. So end of this is 9. So we will, this will be our root. So we will create this 9 here. I am creating this 9 here. So after creating this 9, what will happen? I have to find its left. So there is in left there is nothing, in right there is nothing. What does it mean? we do not have any left child, we do not have any right child. So I will return from here. So whatever is come from left will become my left child. So this will become my left child. I can say now this 9 is my left child. I will point this. Now once my left child is done, I will go to my right. So in right, what I will do, first of all, from here, what will be my root? My root will be this end. So I will create this root. This root is created. Now once my root is created, what I will do, I will find that root here. So here it is. Now after finding the root, this will be my left, this will be my right. Okay. So after finding this, my in order will be, so what I am saying is this is my left. So left is looking like 15 and right is 7. Now I have to find the post order. So what will be my post order? I will remove this. So what will be my post order? I can say that right is one element. There is one element. So from here, my one element will be right. This will be my post order and rest will be my left. So I have done with this. I have done with this. Now what I have to do? I have to solve this. So whatever comes from here will become my left child and whatever comes from here will become my right child. So now solve this. So here you can see that there is nothing in right, there is nothing is left, and this is only root. So it will create this root. Let's create this root 15 and this 15 is returning. So whatever comes from here will become my left. So this become my left child. Now similarly this become my right child and 7 is returning from there. So I will create this. Now whatever is come from here, I will return this 20. So this 20 will become my right child. So you can see this is how I will create my binary tree using this Inorder and Postorder Traversal. So you can see that this is same. So now let's check out the code and analyze the time and space complexity. So now what we are doing is, first of all, we create an in-order map where we are storing the indexes of our in-order values. So what we are doing is I am creating this map so that I can search in open time. So this 9, I will store this 9 with its index, it is 0. This 15, its index is 1. This 7, its index is 2. So this is how I will create map. Now after creating this map, I do not need this in-order vector. I will use my in-order map. So I will start my p start. I will start my in-order. I start from here and I end from here. And what will be my p start? This p start from here and p end from here. Now after doing this, how I am traversing is, first of all, I will check this p start is, if p start is greater than p end, that means my in-order and post-order is done. I have traversed. So if any of this condition is reached, then I will return my null. Otherwise, what I will do, I will create a node, and its value will be, what will be its value? Its value will be this, which is pointed by my p end. So I will create one root and its value will be this p end. And after creating this, what I will do, I will find that value, find that root value into my map. From here, I will get the index. Once I will get the index, let's say this 3, and this will be my index. Then what I will do, I have to find how many numbers in right. So how I can find, this is my I end, this is my I root. I will minus I end minus I root and I will get this number of element. Yeah. So once I get this number of element, I will go to my left and right. Call. Because for root I have done. Now I have to call my root left subtree, and whatever comes from it will become my root left. Whatever comes from right, it become my root right, and finally I will return this. So now how I am calling it left is, first of all I am sending my in-order map. Then this I start for left. What will be my in-order? In-order will be from starting to this I root minus 1. This is I root, it's minus 1. So from I start to I root minus 1. And what will be for post order? For post order, what will be my left subtree post order? It will be from p start to this. This will be my p end. This will be my p end minus nums right minus 1. So what is, let's say this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So p end is, let's say this p end is 4. And nums right is, I can say nums right is 3. So 4 minus 3 minus 1, minus 1, it will be 0. So this will be my, so this 9 will be my post order for left substring. So I will already tell you this will be my in order and this will be my post order for left substring. And for right, it is very simple. What is, I will start from I root plus 1 to I end, I root plus 1 to I end for in order. And for post order, what will be, I will start from P end minus nums right minus 1, from here to P end, minus 1, because this 3 is done, this 3 is done. So I need this 15, 7 and 20. So this is how I will call. I hope you understand the intuition and the source code. If it helps you, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.